We have some committee moves to hit. We're going to start off with this one. Bill, you sold T-Mobile.
Yeah, it was in the bottom of our portfolio area, and it's not been exciting. The below the 50-day moving average, the CapEx is going to, I think, could be a problem here as you see competition continue to heat up. We own AT&T as well, and we don't want to own both names, and so I want to put that cash somewhere else.
All right. Did you expect the telecom to be exciting?
Well, look at what AT&T was able to do last year, and really for the last 18 months. Before it turned down a bit, it's been really exciting. And T-Mobile is a multi-year compounder, really has been.
All right, we want to focus more on your buys, though.
Yeah.
What are you buying?
Well, yeah, we're buying LNG, Cheniere. It's now you're seeing some interesting things take place in the commodity space. You're seeing the European natural gas prices really come to life, and exports is where Cheniere makes their money. This has been bottoming out technically very well. About 95% of the revenue comes from long-term contracts. I like that this being a buying opportunity. I think energy is going to be very exciting this year. That's why we're staying in the space with that buy from Cheniere as well. Exxon is breaking out. We're just increasing our position in that portfolio. All three of these names that we bought, Cheniere, Exxon, which we've owned. The crack spreads have become a little compressed. Refining margins compressed. But I'm trusting here that we need to own more of it, and it is breaking out. And then finally, we added to SLB. SLB, got to zoom out here. I mean, this has been very depressed since 2023, but I think it could be one of the main key beneficiaries of what's going on in Venezuela. So about 1% in T-Mobile, we sold that, and we're spreading it across these three names, and I want to get a little more energy exposure. I like what we're seeing in the energy space. I think that can continue here the first half of the year.
SLB saw its price target raised by Ray J from 43 up to 52, maintaining the outperform. I want to go back to natural gas for just a minute. It hit an October low yesterday. So you're saying you see clear signs of an upside move when it comes to natural gas? Because a lot of traders I talk to, they say that's the widowmaker trade.
Yeah,
we're talking about natural gas, very volatile, and you can lose a lot of money there.
That's a really great question. So Cheniere, really what U.S. natural gas prices are doing don't impact Cheniere. I mean, from the long term. U.S. natural gas prices have, I mean, there's been a pretty heavy reversal out of the mid-December kind of gasp for air, and they continue to go lower. It's U.S. natural gas prices, especially this time of year, are going to be matter on weather. And the widowmaker trade is actually a spread between the February and March contracts, because that's where the weather really starts to shift. But here's the interesting thing is Cheniere is an exporter. They get paid on volume of exports, and the spread between with European natural gas becoming more, moving higher and more expensive, you're seeing that spread starting to widen, and that becomes attractive for demand of exports via Cheniere.
All right. Jim, you also own Cheniere. I'm just looking at the chart. At the chart. It's down about 7% over the last 2 months. That seems to be kind of the range that we often look at. For the market was kind of not making a lot of moves. This obviously underperforming over that time. Your view on the company and also Bill's buy.
Yeah, well, first off, I like the buy. It's a little bit uncharacteristic of you, as I know you, and I don't want to pigeonhole you, but you're more of a trader mentality. And I look at Cheniere and the way you were describing it as an exporter, as this is more of a long-term play. Now, you did bring in the spread between European contracts and American. I get it. But for you to pick this up here, I really compliment you, because this is a value play here. This is, hey, wait, there's a business here of exporting natural gas around the world, and Cheniere is the key linchpin in that. And I think that the price decline over the past several months, perhaps because of natural gas, as you're pointing out, Frank, is the good entry point. And we'll see if you stay with it for a long period of time. I love your ExxonMobil purchase. You said it's breaking out, but as you know, if you look at this over a long period of time, I don't know if the control room can give us a 5-year chart. I mean, the breakout, it is a breakout, but it's tiny in comparison to what it's been doing over the last 5 years. It's a long-term compounder. Thank you for that chart, and it's going to continue to go higher. Consider this. That 5-year chart is twice the return of the S&P 500, and over the last 5 years, crude oil prices have stunk. But as Bill points out, it's far more than crude oil prices for Exxon. It's refining, it's marketing, it's distribution. Good on you.